Hey there, and welcome to the Ingles table.
I'm Susie, along with my husband Clark, and we're so excited to be here with you today.
Today we're getting ready for an amazing summertime get-together with a delicious Cantaloupe Agua Fresca.
We've already been to Ingles and stocked up on everything we need to make this amazing mocktail.
Let me show you how we do it.
Well, we just got back from Ingles. The produce there is so beautiful right now. All the fruit is really in season. So today we're going to make a refreshing drink called Cantaloupe
Agua Fresca. And Agua Fresca is just Spanish for fresh water.
We're going to use cantaloupe today. And our first step, we're going to put our cantaloupe into the blender. Okay, Clark, I'm going to try not to spill this on you, so you might want to help me with this. This is so juicy, I tell you. Okay, all right.
So we cut up a cantaloupe. We're going to add some water to the blender.
I got that. And then we have some fresh squeezed lime. Good, beautiful, shiny lime. There you go.
So we're going to process this in the blender until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to strain out all the solids so you don't have chunks of stuff in your beverage. So I'm going to process this until it's smooth.
That looks good.
All right, we got it nice and smooth. We're going to pour this through a fine mesh strainer to drain out all the solids that might be left over. So you're left with a beautiful pale orange smooth liquid to make our drink with.
Great. I'm going to help out with that a little bit, give it a couple of stirs to help it strain through. I'll put this out of your way, Clark.
Okay.
And after we get it strained, we've got some simple syrup to add. The reason we're using a simple syrup instead of just granulated sugar today is that if you have a cold beverage like this is, the granulated sugar wouldn't dissolve. So if you need to find out how to make a simple syrup, be sure to visit Ingles' table and check out our quick tip on how to make simple syrup.
But this is a really refreshing cocktail to enjoy outside when you're dining al fresco with your friends. And this is a non-alcoholic drink, so it's great for during the week.
Yeah, and today we've used cantaloupe, but this is also interchangeable. So sometimes, you know, when you buy that really big watermelon, like what we see coming in right now, they are so delicious. And you could also turn watermelon into this same type of beverage. I think you have that pretty good now, Clark. Let's just put those solids in here. And the simple syrup is right here. I'll put this out of the way for you.
So we've got some simple syrup that we're going to add to this and a little bit more water. We're going to put this in a container and refrigerate it.
Let me give it a stir first.
Because you want nicely chilled ingredients to build your cocktails with, so your ice doesn't melt when you put it in the glass.
I just so happen to have some right here, already chilled. I'm going to give you some glasses and an ice cube. We like these big ice cubes because they melt slower.
And they look nice in the glass.
They look kind of cool, don't they?
So this is just the chilled juice. After it's been sitting in the refrigerator, we put it in a carafe for easy pouring.
Agua Fresca. I made up some little melon balls earlier with cocktail picks. Picked up some fresh mint at Ingles. So I have these cute little kebabs to put in here. Whoop, there he goes. All right, there you have it.
That's our Cantaloupe Agua Fresca.
We're so glad you joined us here today. Remember to check out the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
Until next time,
We'll see you online.